Day 902 off the grid. And even though we are still on holiday in Nelson, and what a beautiful day it is here down in North Road. There's the Founders Park. There's Neil Park. All this is reclaimed land. I'm still doing mechanical stuff. Yes, that's right. The car didn't get its warrant because this is the passenger's door handle on the, I guess, the right hand side. This was replaced about, I don't know, 6 or 12 months ago because it sheared off, and look, the replacement handle, which of course was a second hand part, sheared off again. So I thought, well, this time I'll fix it myself, and this time I'm going to do something a little bit different than just get a new door handle and pay an arm and a leg for it, only for the same thing to happen again. First of all, I tried super glue on here. No bloody good. It was worth a crack, but didn't take it all. But then I realised that this plastic bit here moves with this actuating arm. So I thought, why don't I just put a pin through here and lock those two pieces together? And that's what I've done here with the screw. I just drilled a hole through the metal here, drilled a bit into the plastic, put a suitable size Phillips screw in through there, and now it appears to work. Sprayed some canola oil spray on there. I'd only use it for industrial purposes, of course. It acts as a basically like your WD-40, but except it takes a little bit longer to penetrate, but lasts a heck of a lot longer. Free that up a bit, partly because some of the super glue had got down into the bearing there. So all I've got to do now is install it in the car and see if my hillbilly fix works. It really looks like it's going to. Look at that. It really does look good. So there we go. Well, it turned out that the first attempt to repair was in fact a fail. Although it mechanically worked, there was a reason why they didn't do it that way, and it's because during the installation the arm needs to move independently from the actual handle. Otherwise you can't fit it in and locate it where it's meant to go, in the tight space inside the door. So that's why they chose this, what appeared to be an unnecessarily complicated approach at BMW. So of course the improvement was to just take a more conventional path to fix it and just strap it. So now it satisfies the requirements. It can be operated from there, and it can also be independently of the handle squeezed up for installation. And it feels pretty robust, so we'll just go ahead and put that in now. And the other thing was a fail, so we're on to Mark 3. I've made up a whole plate now rather than just a strap, and that third screw there, the panhead 1, that removes quite a lot of the play in it when it's activating. Hopefully I've removed enough play now that the door will open, and then this annoying fix will be at an end. I got it in again. There was still too much play in the joint, so what I've tried is fattening up the actuator here with some leaky tape to hopefully overcome that play that's been introduced from this plate. Hopefully this will be the last time. I suspect I might have to add more tape if this is working at all. So anyway, here's the door handle, and finally the door opens. Bulking up that actuator piece certainly did the final trick to make it work, so that's pretty cool. Well, we're near the top of Walters Bluff. There's a haven out there. Nelson Lighthouse is on. There's some beacons going.
Where are you now?
What was that? That wasn't ours.
No.
You now.
Is that Granddad?
That's not the noise of
I'll
the...
be there soon. I've just got to push through and I'll just get in the truck, drive around here.
We're picking up Skip from the port. Not really Skip, but... Vikey, did you hear that? Over?
Over?
Did you hear those other guys talking? Over.
Talking.
There's the
Over?
truck.
Oh,
That might be the truck there.
okay.
Oh, I heard some guys down the port talking coming over our channel. I suppose you didn't hear them, did you? Over?
No, because there was nothing on there. It must be a catch or somebody else is up there, okay?
He didn't get them.
No. Well, we're right up on the
Just
hill.
because we're up here. Anyway, there we go.
They
There's
would
a
have
bit of
heard us
sun.
then, wouldn't they?
Probably.
Over now.
Yeah, out. Oh no, the dot. Here we go. Whoa. Walker Cemetery. It's like Mulholland Drive, see?
Yeah, it is a bit like that, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe some cool because of some video or something.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting at. Shoot at any time.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's little bugs. Yeah. Smile at the camera, pups. Smile at the camera. Oh, you're dancing. You're dancing. The camera away. There's the line will put down. Okay, then how to zoom out?
We'll just stand up and right
Look at this. Here he is. He's a very bad video. 65 points he's got.
Good boy. Good boys. Yeah, having fun, aren't you? Hey? They're good.
Hey, Max! This is me. Hello? Me, basically.
Hey, have fun.
Now then, you should rip it up.
Yeah.